Feeling anxious or struggling to sleep? You're not alone. In our fast-paced, always connected world, stress and anxiety have become all too common. And with them, sleep problems. Countless people are lying awake at night, their minds racing with worries and what-ifs. But it doesn't have to be this way. Enter the world of breathing exercises. These simple yet powerful techniques have been used for centuries in practices like yoga and meditation, but you don't have to be a yogi to benefit from them. In fact, anyone can use breathing exercises to calm the mind, relax the body, and prepare for a good night's sleep. What's the secret? Well, when you focus on your breath, you're bringing your attention away from the stresses of your day and into the present moment. This can have a calming effect on your mind, helping to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. At the same time, deep, slow breathing can help to relax your body, slowing your heart rate and lowering your blood pressure. But that's not all. Breathing exercises can also help to improve the quality of your sleep. How? By helping you to establish a calming bedtime routine and by training your body to relax and prepare for sleep. It's like giving your body and mind the signal that it's time to wind down and drift off into a peaceful slumber. Now, there are many different breathing exercises out there, each with their own unique benefits. But don't worry, you don't need to learn them all. In fact, just a handful of exercises can make a big difference, and that's exactly what we're going to share with you in this video. So, are you ready to discover a natural, powerful tool for reducing anxiety and improving sleep? Stay tuned to learn 5 powerful breathing exercises that can help you relax and sleep better naturally. The first breathing exercise we're diving into is called box breathing, also known as square breathing. This technique is as simple as it sounds, yet incredibly effective. The idea behind box breathing is to create a rhythmic pattern, focusing your mind on the counting and allowing your body to absorb the maximum amount of oxygen. So how do you do it? Picture a square or a box. Each side represents a step in the breathing process. On the first side, breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose, counting to 4 in your head. This is the inhalation phase where you're filling your lungs with air. As you move to the second side of the box, hold that breath. Again, count to 4. This is the breath retention phase, where you're allowing the oxygen to really sink into your bloodstream. On the third side of the box, you're going to exhale through your mouth, slowly and controlled, for another count of 4. This is the exhalation phase, where you're expelling all the carbon dioxide from your lungs. Finally, on the fourth side of the box, hold your breath once more, counting to 4. This is another phase of breath retention, allowing your body to fully utilize the oxygen you've inhaled. So, in essence, box breathing is a cycle of inhale, hold, exhale, hold. 4 seconds for each step, hence creating a box or a square. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about box breathing? Well, this technique is a powerful stress reducer. It helps to calm the mind, lower heart rate, and regulate the autonomic nervous system. It's particularly beneficial for those with anxiety or panic disorders, as it helps to control the body's fight or flight response. But the benefits don't stop at stress reduction. Box breathing also improves concentration and performance. It's a technique often used by athletes, musicians, and even military personnel to enhance focus and maintain calm under pressure. Furthermore, box breathing can be used to improve your sleep. By calming the mind and relaxing the body before bedtime, it helps to create a peaceful environment conducive to deep, restful sleep. When should you use box breathing? Anytime, anywhere, whether you're feeling stressed at work, anxious about a big presentation, or simply struggling to fall asleep at night, box breathing can be your go-to technique. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the more natural it will become. Start with a few minutes a day, gradually increasing as you get comfortable with the technique. Over time, you'll notice your mind becoming calmer, your focus sharper, and your sleep deeper. Box breathing is more than just a breathing technique. It's a tool for mindfulness, a pathway to relaxation, and a simple method to enhance overall well-being. So give it a try and discover the power of your own breath. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the more natural it will become. The second breathing exercise we have is the 4-7-8 breathing. Known for its simplicity and effectiveness, the 4-7-8 breathing technique is a shining beacon in the realm of stress relief and sleep improvement. So how does this method work? Well, let's break down the steps. The numbers in the name of the technique represent the counts for each step. You start by inhaling quietly through your nose for a count of 4, then hold your breath counting up to 7. finally, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to a count of 8. This completes 1 breath. Now inhale again and repeat the cycle 3 more times for a total of 4 breaths. It's important to note that you should always inhale quietly through your nose and exhale audibly through your mouth. The tip of your tongue should stay in position the whole time. Exhalation takes twice as long as inhalation. The absolute time you spend on each phase is not important. The ratio of 4-7-8 is what matters. Now let's discuss the benefits. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. Unlike tranquilizing drugs, which are often effective when you first take them, but then lose their power over time, this exercise is subtle when you first try it, but gains in power with repetition and practice. Do you often find yourself tossing and turning, unable to fall asleep? Or perhaps during the day you're plagued by racing thoughts? The 4-7-8 breathing technique is your answer. It's a perfect tool to use when you're struggling to fall asleep or when you're experiencing stress or anxiety during the day. It's like a mini meditation session that you can do anytime, anywhere. Moreover, this method doesn't require any equipment. All you need is a quiet space, your breath, and a few minutes of your day. It's a simple, cost-effective way to improve your mental health and overall well-being. Remember, like any exercise, it's all about consistency. The more you practice, the more you'll reap the benefits. So, make it a part of your daily routine. Maybe start your day with it, or perhaps use it to wind down before bed. Or you could even use it as a tool to manage stress during the day. In conclusion, the 4-7-8 breathing technique is a simple yet powerful tool for calming your nervous system, reducing stress, and improving sleep. It's a natural method that you can use anytime, anywhere to bring a sense of calm and relaxation to your day. Consistency is key. Keep practicing and you'll notice a difference. Your mind will become calmer, your sleep will improve, and you'll be better equipped to handle the stresses of daily life. So take a deep breath, count to 4-7-8, and let the tranquility wash over you. Our third breathing exercise is diaphragmatic breathing. This technique focuses on engaging the diaphragm, a large muscle located just below your lungs, to take deep, effective breaths. Let's break down the steps. First, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. This will help you feel the movement of your diaphragm as you breathe. Now breathe in slowly and deeply through your nose. The goal is to make the hand on your abdomen rise higher than the one on your chest. This means that your diaphragm is pulling air into the bases of your lungs. Next, exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe out, the hand on your abdomen should move inwards, indicating that your diaphragm is returning to its resting position. Repeat this process for a few minutes, focusing on keeping your breathing slow, steady, and deep. So why is diaphragmatic breathing so beneficial? Well, it has a multitude of positive effects on the body. It helps to slow your heartbeat and can lower or stabilize blood pressure. It's also a fantastic way to reduce stress, as it encourages the body to relax. This method of breathing sends a signal to your brain to calm down and relax, which in turn sends this message to your body. Diaphragmatic breathing helps to distract the mind from daily stresses and promotes a greater sense of calm. It's a great technique to use if you're feeling anxious or stressed. You can practice it before a big meeting when you're stuck in traffic or anytime you're feeling a bit overwhelmed. It's also a fantastic tool to use before bed to help promote better sleep. Diaphragmatic breathing can also improve core muscle stability, optimize respiratory capacities, and decrease the work of breathing. It's a technique that's even used by athletes to improve their performance and recovery. The beauty of diaphragmatic breathing is that it's a tool you always have with you. It doesn't require any special equipment or a lot of space. It's a technique that you can use anytime, anywhere to help bring your body and mind back to a state of calm. Remember, like any other skill, diaphragmatic breathing takes practice. The more you do it, the easier it will become. Over time, you'll find that you're able to use this technique without even thinking about it, making it an easy and effective way to manage stress and anxiety in your everyday life. With regular practice, this exercise can become a powerful tool for relaxation. The key is consistency, so start incorporating diaphragmatic breathing into your daily routine and experience the benefits it brings to your overall well-being. Next up, we have alternate nostril breathing. This technique, also known as Nadi Shodhana in Sanskrit, is a yogic breath control practice that has been around for centuries. It's a simple yet powerful exercise that can help you achieve a balanced state of mind and body. So let's break down the steps of alternate nostril breathing. To start, sit in a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. The key is to keep your spine straight and your body relaxed. Now, place your left hand on your left knee, palm facing upwards. With your right hand, gently close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril. After inhaling, use your right ring finger to close your left nostril, then remove your thumb from your right nostril and exhale slowly. Next, inhale through the right nostril. Once you've inhaled fully, close the right nostril with your thumb and exhale through the left nostril. That's one cycle of alternate nostril breathing. Aim to do at least 5 to 10 cycles, or however many feel comfortable for you. Remember, it's not about rushing through the cycles, but about focusing on your breath and the rhythm it creates. Now let's talk about the benefits of alternate nostril breathing. This exercise is a fantastic stress buster. It can help reduce anxiety and promote a sense of calm and balance. Our final breathing exercise is pursed lips breathing. This technique is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you manage stress, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. It's also particularly beneficial for individuals who may experience shortness of breath due to conditions like COPD or asthma. Pursed lips breathing is aptly named after the way your lips should be positioned during the exercise. Imagine you're about to gently blow out a candle. That's the kind of pursing we're talking about. The technique is straightforward and easy to learn. Here's how to do it. First, sit or stand in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if it helps you focus. Now, breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 2. Hold that breath for a moment, then purse your lips as if you're preparing to whistle or blow out a candle, and breathe out slowly for a count of 4. That's it. You've just done one round of pursed lips breathing. The beauty of this exercise is in its simplicity. You're not trying to change your breathing pattern dramatically. Instead, you're subtly slowing it down, which can have a significant impact on your body's stress response. By extending your exhale, you stimulate the body's natural relaxation response, slowing your heart rate and lowering your blood pressure. But what makes pursed lips breathing truly special is its versatility. You can use it anytime, anywhere. Whether you're sitting at your desk, waiting in line at the grocery store, or lying in bed struggling to fall asleep, pursed lips breathing can be your go-to technique to instill a sense of calm and relaxation. Not only does it help you relax, but it also improves lung function by strengthening the diaphragm and helping to release trapped air in the lungs. This makes it an excellent exercise for individuals with respiratory conditions. But remember, if you have a pre-existing lung condition, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new breathing exercises. Pursed lips. Breathing can also be a powerful tool in your mindfulness practice. By focusing on the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out of your body, you anchor your attention in the present moment. This can help you break away from stress-inducing thoughts and cultivate a greater sense of peace and well-being. So the next time you're feeling stressed or anxious, or when sleep seems to elude you, try pursed lips breathing. Like all exercises, regular practice can help you reap the maximum benefits. And remember, the key to effective breathing exercises is consistency. So make it a part of your daily routine and experience the transformative power of mindful breathing. We've covered a lot of ground today with these 5 powerful breathing exercises. Let's take a moment to recap and reinforce what we've learned. First, we explored box breathing, a straightforward technique that involves inhaling, holding your breath, exhaling, and again holding your breath, all for an equal count. This balanced rhythm of breath is a great way to bring focus and calm to your mind, making it an excellent tool for stress relief during the day. Next, we delved into the 4-7-8 breathing technique, a method that emphasizes longer exhales and shorter inhales. This exercise is particularly beneficial for reducing anxiety and promoting better sleep, as it helps to slow your heart rate and calm your nervous system. Our third technique was diaphragmatic breathing, a deeper form of breathing that engages your diaphragm rather than just your chest. This method is known to improve your body's oxygen supply, promoting overall relaxation and reducing stress. The fourth technique, alternate nostril breathing, is a yogic practice that involves alternately breathing through one nostril at a time. This method can help balance your mind, enhance focus, and promote a sense of tranquility. Finally, we learned about pursed lips breathing, an exercise that involves inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly through pursed lips. This technique can help regulate your breath, calm your mind, and is particularly useful for those restless nights when sleep seems elusive. These 5 exercises are simple yet powerful tools that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you're feeling stressed at work, anxious about a looming deadline, or struggling to find calm before bedtime, these techniques can help. They're natural, they're accessible, and they provide a way to take control of your mental well-being. So why wait? Start practicing these exercises today and experience the benefits of mindful breathing for yourself. Thanks for watching. If these breathing exercises help you, please like this video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share it with someone who needs a moment of calm.